everyone. I'm Trista Zhang from GONSIN Conference. Welcome to the Guangzhou Prolight+Sound exhibition. I'm at GONSIN booth. Today, I'm going to introduce the AES67 digital audio solution. This solution has high scalability and is compatible with Dante protocol to ensure seamless integration with existing audio devices. It can be flexibly expanded to meet various scale application scenarios. Simplified wiring greatly reduce the installation and maintenance cost and supports long-distance transmission, making it suitable for large venues and complex environments. Low-latency audio transmission ensures real-time and efficient audio processing, while also ensuring high-quality sound effects to meet the requirements of professional audio applications. Overall, the GONSIN AES67 digital audio solution has the advantages of high scalability, flexible wiring, low latency, and high-quality sound effects to make your audio usage scenarios more extensive. Thank you.